Oh, we got Grandpa in the house. You know we gonna catch some fish today.
Impossible. Really?
What's cracking, y'all? I'm out here with Eddie. Don't mind the shirt, it's all I had clean. It's like 5 in the morning, trying to find some clothes. All right, our plan was to run to Ocean Reef. It's definitely pouring down there, so we shot out to Key Biscayne to see if we can catch bait. My buddy Adiel was selling bait. That's what he does for a living, so I went ahead and shot him 60 bucks, and he hooked us up. We're gonna go ahead and drift the county Rex. We're in 120 feet of water, doing about a knot. Probably give this a try and then bump into 80 feet, do the same thing. Eddie just got whacked. He got lucky he pulled that thing up. Let's go, Ed. Guaranteed yellowtail.
Oh, yellow.
What did I tell you, bro?
You know what? I like that. Nice tail.
Nice hook.
Nice tail. Yeah, baby.
That's how you started.
Might catch some tails after all.
I don't know what it is here, bro. I always catch tails. It makes you wonder, is this a decent tail spot?
Well, yeah.
All right, first drift was kind of slow. Picked up 2 little yellowtails though. Definitely clearing up out here. Looks beautiful out to the west. Check that out. Miami. We're gonna make a little move and head a little bit south. Hit some more little wrecks and then make a decision if we're gonna run down south to Ocean Reef or not. Lego.
Oh, not fighting like a mutton.
No.
Fighting like a king. Take it easy. Fighting like a king. Might be even a bonita.
Oh, no bonita here, Bobby. This is gonna be a small shark or a nice mutton?
Nah, it's not a shark.
Oh my God. Grab my rod.
Have it.
Oh my God. It's a huge mutton. Eddie, let's fucking go! Oh, let's fucking go, Eddie! What'd I tell you, dog? Key Biscayne. The weather's too bad to run south. You gotta make an adjustment.
That's a nice.
Yo,
Oh, that's a beautiful fish.
peep that. I keep telling these boys. I keep telling them. Check that out. Let's go. On that 40-pound test, using the wife's rod today. My Shimano's still at the shop.
Oh, wait a minute.
Look at that
That's
thing.
what it was.
Look at that thing. 40-pound
That's what it
braid.
was.
10 fathom.
Sheepy.
She be fishing.
Sheepy's using your equipment.
Hey, what's going on, bro? Well, for one, you're using a crooked, rusty-ass J-hook.
That's all right. That's gonna fucking catch you. You gotta fish with what you got.
This old guys, man, you can't tell him nothing. He likes fishing with these old rusty J-hooks,
Yep.
but he catches big fish, so what am I gonna do, you know? Gotta let him be. I told him I'll make him famous, put him on Weeby. Keeps losing fish on me, though. All right, weather cleared up. Caught a bunch of fish out of Key Biscayne while we were letting the weather kind of pass. It's looking like it's cleared up. It's about 9:30 in the morning, so we're gonna make a little run.
We're gonna go through over there.
We're gonna do a 25-mile run down to Ocean Reef. Stay tuned. Making him a sandwich and he steals my rod. You can believe this shit?
Snooze, you lose.
He's like, make sure you put peppers on my sandwich.
Red peppers.
He said, only the red peppers. And then my line goes off, my flat line, which I just rigged up with a beautiful single treble stinger.
Yeah, my idea.
Eddie's idea, I'll give him that credit. But I used a non-rusty hook.
Grandpa's always teaching him tricks.
That's a good one, man. Oh man, here's a good one. I saw him.
Yeah, he fucking cut off.
He didn't cut off, he pulled him.
What do you mean I pulled him?
You have a single treble with a leader. What do you mean he cut off? He ain't cut off.
Look at that, bro.
Look at that, you got your hook back.
How the hell did I pull him?
Look at the feet on Eddie's face. Flatline got hooked up. Another mackerel, I think. A lot of thick mackerels around Ocean Reef today. Go, a little syrup. I'll take that. Great sashimi. I threw some chummers out, now they're all going crazy. Yeah. Let's go. I knew it would work. That's a good one there. Oh. Whoa. All right, 2 tails and a mackerel in 5 minutes. Not too bad. Pretty sure I got a fat hook bonita on. He hit pretty hard. Oh, the tails are there, Eddie. The tails are yellow jack. Oh. All right, let's go. Gotta get you a pilchard out there, throw a bunch of liveys, you know, let those guys kind of form a ball. Always makes it happen.
Put that up on the
When that comes off There he is, Eddie. That's the yellowtail. Get him. That's the mono. No leader on that one. Blue runner. Fucking mackerel, dude. Eddie's hooked up for the 17th time.
It is, bro. It's a yellowtail.
Oh, he finally got a yellowtail he's been so anxious for. You want me to hook him? Okay, let me stick him. Let me stick him. Go, Bobby. Yeah. Show that shit to the camera. You want candid camera now. All right, Eddie's been dying for these yellowtails, man.
All time, bro. Damn.
Well, when fishing gets tough, come out in yellowtail. Check that out. Not bad. We'll take him. He needed redemption after that blue runner. Ooh, flaggy. Get you a good whip on him. That was not a good whip.
Yo. Big tails, bro.
Hey, 22-inch yellowtail's the new norm. Eddie's got big hands, don't let it fool you. Put him in here though. Let's go, last hookup of the day.
Oh, yellowtail.
Hook him! Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's the PB for sure.
Bro! Last drift of the day. Circle hook just popped out. Check out that yellowtail. Let's go to end the day.
Hold up, bro.
We knew we had to get one last drift in.
Really?
Out here with Grandpa Jones. Put me on the fish again. Had a pretty epic day. Probably caught like over 15 mackerel, a bunch of yellowtails, one nice mutton to start the day off. And then we pulled up anchor, we started cleaning up, decided to do one last drift, picked up a 26-inch yellowtail. Ate a live ballyhoo on the bottom in like 50 feet of water. Right here outside of Ocean Reef. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for all the support on the channel. Make sure to share this video with someone that you know likes to fish. Subscribe, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Oh, that's real good.